Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, bosses. Welcome to another production of the Boss Creations. Thanks for joining us today. Today is going to be a quick little video of a Father's Day mug using infusible ink transfer sheets by Cricut and our Cricut Explorer Air 2 and a Cricut Sublimation mug, along with the Cricut Mug Press. So yes, today is all about Cricut products and Cricut items, using them for a quick Father's Day gift. This is going to be a Father's Day mug. It is going to be used with I believe this one is called the Galaxy infusible ink sheets. Right now, we're cutting out the design as well as the template that wraps around the mug. This is going in fast motion for you guys, so I'm going to take this opportunity while it's cutting to please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I am trying to grow my channel to that was a little accident. It started cutting wrong, so I stopped it, but it cut all the way through. It was just trying to give it more cuts than it really needed to. Right now we're weeding out with the infusible transfers. You do not need to use a weeding tool. Just bend the paper back as you see I'm doing, and they will easily pop out. I'm not going to let you, since I wanted this to be a quick video, I'm not going to let you guys sit here and watch me do this whole thing, but it's really easy. You just bend the paper back, pop out where the cut marks are, and peel it off. But I'll be back when this is done. And we're back. Now what we're doing is we're setting up the Cricut Mug Press. I have it sitting on a Cricut mat that came with my Easy Press. I also have a Cricut Easy Press too, but I sat it on the heat mat so it wouldn't burn my tablecloth, just in case the bottom gets, because I don't know if the bottom of this gets really hot or not. So I just sit it there just for extra protection, safety precautions, and all that good stuff. I always wipe my mugs down with alcohol. Couldn't find my alcohol today, so what we're doing is regular old lint roller. Lint roller is just as good as your alcohol, wiping it down with your alcohol. So now what I'm doing is showing you the design that got cut out on the mat, and now we're just going to place it in the middle, line it up as best and as possible as you could. While doing this, I realized that I cut my designs too big, so they're not going to be evenly distributed on both sides, but that's okay. That's fine. I don't mind. It came out looking good anyways. What you're seeing right now is me trying to line it up as best as possible. I'm going to start taping it, but later down in the clip, like a few seconds or minutes, because this is only like a 13-minute clip today, but you're going to see that I undo what I've done because I realized that it wasn't all the way in the center yet, because you just got to make sure that you line it up, because you don't want one side to be all perfect and you get to the other side and you see white. You're going to see white based with this kind of mug press and design, but it's not going to be the whole white. You're just going to have the strip where the handle is, that you're going to have your white strips. But doing this is easier than putting it in your oven, because the mug press times everything for you. Right now I press the button, it's heating up. It's going to tell you when it's heated. It's going to beep. The next thing that is going to happen is you're going to put the mug in the mug press, and you're going to push down that little lever that you see sticking up on the side. You're going to push it down, and then you're just going to leave it. The mug press will beep when it's done. It will automatically shut off if you leave it longer than it, like if you're not around and you beep it, and it beeps, and it realizes that you're not coming, it will do an automatic shut off. So it's not like you sitting in your toaster oven and waiting, watching, turning, twisting it so all sides of it. No, you don't have to do that with the mug press. You sit it and forget it until you hear the beep. Okay, like I said earlier, that I realized that it wasn't all the way even, so you're going to see me go back in, and I'm going to take off some of the tape, and I'm going to reposition it to the middle as best as I possibly could. While you're watching me retape this, because this is kind of tedious to make sure it's all lined up, and then where you see the letters are cut out, the parts where the letters are cut out, that is still sticky, so it's sticking against the mug when I'm trying to move it and all that good stuff. So while this is going on, I'm gonna say, if you like videos, go back and watch a couple of my videos. I have a few videos in my brand new channel. I haven't even been up a year yet. I'm trying to get more people to come in so I can start doing tutorials and stuff like that. Some of my videos give you a little description of how to do certain things, but some of my videos are basically just me doing my orders. I do have a shop. It's called The Boss Creations. It is on Shopify, thebosscreations.com. I do customized items. You can send me an email, or you can go on The Boss Creations on Instagram or Facebook and go to the DMs and order something if you want it customized. I do have an option on my website for customization, but you would have to go through email, have an email address set up, so after it's purchased, I can go in and send you an email, and I can get all your files and everything that you need customized for it. But the fastest, easiest way is through Instagram DMs. Everything else is on the website. We do waist beads, we do beaded jewelry, we do t-shirts, we do tumblers, we do mugs, we do rolling trays. We do a lot of different things, so go check us out on the website. Once again, it's www.thebosscreations.com. I will leave a link down in the description box, as well as I will have it typed out. If you look at the bottom of your screen, you will see it typed out at the bottom of the screen as well. Okay, now that we have got everything all taped up, I'm just going through and making sure that I have no gaps, hole, or air seeping through anywhere, any part, because with sublimation, you got to make sure everything is sealed down properly. Everything is good and sealed. There is no way any air can go through. You'll see what I mean in a minute, but the way it came out, I kind of dig it. But you have to make sure your image is perfectly sealed all the way around, four corners, top, bottom, side to side. This was just something quick that I did in a quick 20-minute process, and I said, why not film it so I can have something else to add to my channel. So if you would like a more in-depth tutorial on how to actually come out with a sublimated mug using your Cricut Mug Press, please leave me a comment in the description box, in the comments section below, and I'll sure to get you out a detailed tutorial on how to accomplish these mugs in the Cricut Mug Press. So now what I'm doing is positioning in the mug press, and I am going to close down that lever nice and slow. And you're going to start seeing it when all the lights disappeared. And now you only see one light. When it gets down to that last light, that's when you're going to know it's going to start beeping. And that's when it's going to be ready. See, it's all 6 lights. 5, 6 lights are lit up down there. So you're letting me know that it is, you can't hear it, but it is beeping, letting me know that it is all ready. Lift up the lever. Make sure you are using heat gloves. These heat gloves I got from off of Amazon. I think they were about like $6.99, so $7. The handle will not be hot. The handle will not be hot. Only the part that the image it is sublimated on will be hot. I cut, turning off the mud press, making sure that it's off. We're going to wait a few while this is but I'm going to go ahead. The handle is not hot. As you can see, my hand is on the handle with no heat glove, and it's not burning me at all. It's not hot. Where I'm taking the tape off, however, that area is scorching hot right now. So be careful when you're removing your design. Like I said, this was a quick little order thing that I had to do, so I did not wait for it to cool down all the way, because I had to package it up and get it out the door, because this was done a day after Father's Day. So, like I said, be careful while removing. Now, like I said earlier, that I kind of like the way it came out, but you will see that I did not tape down all the edges of the design. And you're going to see that it comes out with a little smoke effect on the inside by the handle. But when I looked at it, girl, it didn't look bad to me. I like the way it looked. It looked unique. It looked different. It gave you that little smoky vibe. So yeah, I like the way it looked. I really did. But anyways, be very careful, because it is hot. It is very hot still. You're going to see me flash my fingers in a minute, because it's hot. Too hot. But that smoky on the inside came in good. But anyways, this is the final product. Thank you for watching. Check that smoke out, like that little creepy smoke going down the side. I love it. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down in the box. Let me know if this is something you would like to see a full tutorial on. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next The Boss Creations. We in the lab, y'all. Let's get it. Check y'all on the next one.